Harley Davidson Road Glide Best Adventure Motorcycle $22,899 MSRP. Quickly identified by its proudly distinctive frame-mounted fairing, the 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide is a bagger that works as well in the city as it does on the open road. Cranking out 111 ft-lbs of torque at 3,250 rpm, the Milwaukee-Eight 107 is barely fazed by the Road Glide's 855-pound curb weight. The rider, too, will not be intimidated, as the seat height is a manageable 27.4 inches, the center of gravity is agreeably low, and the handlebars provide plenty of leverage. The 19-inch Enforcer two-wheel with the Dunlop Harley Davidson rubber gives the 2020 Road Glide a stylish look for city riding. Regardless, it is still fully stable at speed on the highway, and the 107 power plant won't hesitate to push you into triple digits confidently. The narrow front tire brings added agility in corners, should mountains be on your trip itinerary. The bags are outstanding, with a one-touch release and plenty of storage space for short to moderate trips, as well as moving cargo between work and home. The new optional Reflex defensive rider systems brings more electronic rider aids to the Harley Davidson Road Glide than ever before. Harley Davidson Road Glide specifications. Engine type: Milwaukee-Eight 107 V-twin. Borax stroke: 3.937 inches by 4.375 inches. Displacement: 107 cubic inches, 1,746 cubic centimeters. Maximum torque: 111 ft-lbs at 3,250 rpm. Compression ratio: 10.0 to 1. Cooling: air. Lubrication: dry sump. Transmission: 6-speed cruise drive. Clutch: hydraulically actuated assist and slip. Primary drive: chain. Final drive: belt. Chassis. Frame: mild tubular steel with two-piece stamped and welded backbone. Front suspension: travel, non-adjustable Showa 49mm dual bending valve fork, 4.6 inches. Rear suspension: spring-preload adjustable shock, 2.1 inches. Wheels: cast aluminum Enforcer 2. Front wheel: 19 by 3.50. Rear wheel: 18 by 5.00. Front tire: 130/60x19, Dunlop Harley Davidson D408F. Rear tire: 180/65x16, Dunlop Harley Davidson D407T. Front brakes: 320mm floating rotors W/4 piston calipers. Rear brake: 320mm fixed rotor W/4 piston caliper. ABS standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 64 inches. Seat height: 27.4 inches. Rake: 26 degrees. Fork angle: 29.25 degrees. Trail: 6.8 inches. Right lean angle: 31 degrees. Left lean angle: 29 degrees. Fuel capacity: 6 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption: 43 miles per gallon. Curb weight: 855 pounds. Harley Davidson Road Glide colors/prices. Vivid black, $21,699 MSRP. River Rock Gray Denim, Barracuda Silver, Spruce, $22,199 MSRP. Stiletto Red, Tahitian Teal, $22,899 MSRP.